Good morning. Once again, I am going to explain you about acid, its types, and the properties. So listen it carefully and try to understand. I told you that acid is a sour substance. खट्टा, कोई भी चीज अगर खट्टा है तो वो एसिड के कैटेगरी में आएगा. So classification of acid. Next is classification of acid. On different basis it can classify. First is on the basis of source or origin or extraction. That means from where the acid is originated or extracted. So on basis of its extraction or source, it is divided into two types: organic acid and mineral acid. Organic acid are obtained from plant or animals, and examples are citric acid, acetic acid, lactic acid, formic acid. Citric acid is present in citrus fruits, that means orange, lemon, amla, etc. Acetic acid is present in vinegar. Lactic acid in milk and curd, and formic acid in ant bite. Then mineral acid. It is obtained from minerals. And three main mineral acids are there. Sulfuric acid, formula is H2SO4. Hydrochloric acid, HCl. And nitric acid, HNO3. Then on the basis of their strength, acid is classified into two types: weak acid and strong acid. Weak acids are the acids which are not corrosive, that means they cannot cause any harm to us, it cannot burn. And all the organic acids are weak acids, that means which we get from plant and animals, and it is used for our cooking purposes or for in our kitchen we can use it. And second is strong acid. Strong acids are corrosive in nature, that means it can cause harm to us, it can cause burn. And all mineral acids are strong acids, that means these H2SO4, HCl, HNO3 all are strong acid which are present in the laboratory, and we can use it in doing the reactions. And third, on the basis of percentage of water. Acid are of two types: concentrated acid, dilute acid. Concentrated acid means the acid in which there is more acid and less water. The concentration of acid is more here. And in dilute acid, the concentration of acid is less. That means here more water, less acid. If you will get concentrated acid, then can you make it dilute? Yes, you can. By adding water, it can be diluted. But we cannot add water in acid. Always we have to add acid in water. First, take water in a beaker and then drop by drop add acid to it by the wall of the container and make it dilute. But when we add water to acid, then a large amount of heat will generated and it will splash out from the container and cause harm to us. So these are the three bases of classification of acid, and now I think you are able to understand.